Now, let's look at the intention stroke. Before starting to write, you should apply the intention stroke. This is a stroke which enters up to the red line with an arc, an anti-clockwise arc, and that is to propel your writing instrument and your mind into the right state of mind in order to write. So the intention stroke came from the idea that when we start to write, we have a desire to write clearly and legibly. Intention comes from the Latin word intendere, which means to care. It also means, is the root of the word tension. So you are tending to care. So let's look at how we do that. So when you run up, you create this anti-clockwise running up stroke, and now you are at the red line. You can proceed downwards and proceed up. But following every letter, there would be another intention stroke. You intend now to move on to the next letter. So we've got the word wonder. So let's see if you can do that. It's important. It was a feature of all handwriting in the past, in the Renaissance. They might have had a small intention stroke, may have only been quite small, half the size of the letter, say. But it is now absent. In fact, most people, when they start writing, they start immediately on a downstroke. So if you start on a downstroke, finish on a downstroke, there really isn't much chance for you to join your penmanship. You join your writing up. So if you're going to write with no intention strokes, you will no doubt be printing rather than performing a cursive hand. So by running up, you are now going to create a set of ligatures at the beginning and the end of a letter, which are like arms that are ready to receive the next letter. So let's see how they work. So the intention stroke, I also call it the cautionary stroke, because you have to put your mind in place when you're about to write. You sort of gather yourself up and you're somewhat cautious to make that first stroke, the cautionary stroke. And then off you go. It's also called, in English penmanship, the I'm going up to make stroke. So I'm going up to make, H. So I'm going up to make, H. I'm going up to make, K. So they had that in mind, I'm going up to make. When you get to the very top of the letter, here you begin to make the letter, which is like the printed form of the letter. So there are various terms for this, the intention stroke, the cautionary stroke, or the I'm going up to make stroke. But in technical terms, if you want to be able to talk about penmanship, you would call them the ligatures. So those ligatures are applied at the beginning and the end of letters. So that is what the intention stroke lesson in my book is all about. So always keep curving upwards, giving yourself that starting stroke, set your mood in the correct place, and then off you go to create the rhythmic writing. That's all for that lesson. Thank you.